Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this straight wire bottle and nipple cleaning brush to clean the inside of my sink. I'm not sure if you guys have the same problem as me, but the thing they usually in the middle was too small, so I took that off and I put this in here for any dirt or something to be, not to stuck into the drain or whatsoever. So I wanted to show you how I clean the drain, not all the way, but just like right here you can see the the dirt. Let me show you guys. It's pretty, yeah. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the brush and clean that area as much as possible. If you can find, this comes, what is it, like a thing and a half. They usually have a longer one that goes down all the way, but I couldn't find that one when I went to the Dollar Tree, so I only picked up what I saw, and basically that's it. So I'm going to be using a dish soap and put that on my brush, and then just clean the surface as much as possible. If you have a wire, it'll be best for you to use the wire as an attachment to go all the way down. Yeah, to go all the way down. As you can see, some of the stuff are coming up now. As you see that, that's gross, ain't it? So that's what I'm talking about, cleaning the inside of the the inside of this. So I'm gonna use my Dollar Tree or soap. Any kind of soap will do. So I'm just going to clean it as much as possible. Try, look at this. It came off. This is what I was talking about using a wire, because these things are not, but like I said, don't go too deep. If you have a wire, try to yeah. So I just wanted to show you. Look at that. They came out. Look at that. So yeah, it's a lot of gunk down there. So open your sink and do the best that you can and let it go down. You know what I mean? Let that go down. Y'all see the dirt that came out of that thing? Look at that. Oh my God, look at that stuff. So you guys saw this thing. As you can see, it's not. it's telling you this stuff are not good at all. So like I said, if you have a brush longer than this or something else to go down, do so. So I'm gonna wait for this to go down, and then I will come back to show you how. Yeah, y'all, look how nasty that is. Look at all the water is coming. I mean the dirt. Okay guys, so I'm gonna come back once this go down and stuff like that. Okay you guys, so I used this iron thing to put this all the way down the drain. And make sure nothing was stuck in. So everything went down. So now I'm just gonna continue cleaning. But like I said, I'm not going all the way down because this brush is not a secure brush. Yeah. So you guys, you see how flowy this thing went down. So now I'm going to use my, I don't know how this is pronounced, chlorine, yeah, or chlorine, just correct me, but I'm going to use this bathroom cleaner with bleach, eliminates mold and mildew stains and everything. So I'm just going to clean up the rest of the area and just sanitize the whole place. And basically, yeah. So you guys, you don't need someone else to do this for you. You can do it yourself. It's just self-explanatory. You don't need to call a plumber. Again, I'm a female. I can do it, so you can do it. It's very, very easy. So, as you can see, the pipe is so clean right now. And then put that back in and clean up whatever stuff got into stuff over here. And that's basically it, you guys. So let me know if you guys like this tutorial, what you think about it. And like I said, guys, if I can do it, you can do it. It's very easy. All the stuff is a Dollar Tree, and you can make it work, okay? So it's some stuff that you can call a plumber for. Some stuff you just can do it. Like I said, I use this metal angle right here, and I just straighten it up all the way. It's what I use to put in here, and voila, I am all done. And I'm so happy, y'all. Look at the drain, y'all. It's so clean. I'm not sure why. Yeah, look at that. It's so clean. I'm so happy. Yeah. So you guys, I promise you guys, I will show you what that brush is for. It's not for a bottle, as you can see. So, yeah. Yes, guys. I am so happy, y'all. I am so happy. This whole thing is so cleaned out. I wish you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. You know, really, really look. Look at that. You know, normally when you put your finger in, you bring out so much stuff that popped up. But look, nothing came out. So, like I said, you can continue doing this like once a week or once every 2 weeks and stuff like that. I'll try to get another brush and see, you know. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.